I'm a sociologist, and I'm really also in different ways, I suppose, an anthropologist, but I think about these things, the things that anthropologists think about, and I think about the origin of life. And we have a pretty good story. How do you pronounce it? Fast.
Seong Ung Hong.
What is it?
Seong Ung Hong.
Seong.
Ung Hong.
Dude, all right, not bad. Kimmy, how do you pronounce it?
I would pronounce it the same way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Say it.
Seong Yoon Hong.
Who is
I
it?
think it's him.
You think it's this guy?
Yeah.
Oh, totally this guy. Who do you think, bro?
I'm gonna say him. That one. That one.
That dude? That's a nice guess.
I'm not sure about the eye folds in particular, but I know that based on your climate, different features of your face
Yeah.
are just evolutionary more fit.
One of the reasons I just talk about people's features, including my own, is because they are what they are. It is what it is. All your physical features, all my physical features, the tall one, this dude right here, all of us, Brandon, everybody. We are the sum total of our ancestors.